Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel, English Skills with Allie. So in today's video, I would like to focus on vocabulary related to shopping. Imagine you had $200 or $300 to go shopping with tomorrow afternoon. Where would you go and what would you buy? I think if I had $200 or $300, I would go to a boutique and shop for winter clothes. Or I would go to the grocery store, or you can also say supermarket, and buy food because my kitchen is completely empty. So going to the grocery store is probably the better option, but yeah. Okay, so let's talk about places to shop and the differences between these words. What's the difference between a market and a supermarket? So a market. I love markets. Markets sell fresh food. Fresh meat, fresh fish, seafood, fresh vegetables. And a lot of the times at these markets, the stalls, it's called a stall. The stalls that you go to are privately and individually owned. So a supermarket. I'm sure all of you know what a supermarket is. You can also call it a grocery store. But a supermarket is a very large store that sells food and things for your home. Okay, so what's the difference between a department store and a shopping mall? So a department store is a very large store that is divided into different sections. In America, we have Dillard's, JCPenney, Nordstrom, Saks Fifth Avenue. Here in Germany, we have Peek and Kloppenburg, C&A. So those are considered department stores. And a shopping mall is a collection of stores under one roof. So what is the difference between a boutique and a convenience store? So a boutique is a very small store that normally sells just fashionable clothing, jewelry, so different accessories. A convenience store sells a variety of different things, from food to drinks to newspapers, and they're usually open for long hours. The equivalent to that in Germany would be a kiosk. But kiosks are much smaller than convenience stores. So yeah. So what's the difference between a dealership and an outlet store? A dealership is a place that sells cars. And an outlet store is a place where particular products are sold. Normally these products are marked down to a cheaper price. And lastly, what is the difference between a duty-free shop and a hardware store? A duty-free shop is a store in an airport that sells products that are tax-free, so alcohol, cigarettes, perfume, things like that. A hardware store sells metal goods. They sell things for your home, for your garden, and you can go there for do-it-yourself projects and things like that. Okay, so let's take a look at some shopping words. So let's start with bargain. Where can you get a good bargain on clothes? For example, you can get a good bargain on clothes at secondhand stores. So bargain means when things are at a much cheaper price and you get a really good deal on it. The next word, receipt. When do you need a receipt? And what is a receipt? A receipt is the piece of paper that you get every time you go shopping. It shows you everything that you have bought. You also need your receipt when you want to return something back to the store. Next word is sale. During the year, when are things on sale? For example, in America, we have Black Friday. It's right after Thanksgiving. Everybody goes extremely crazy, and it's because everything is on sale. So everything is marked down from the original price. You could also say you are getting a really good bargain for these items. Sale and bargain kind of go hand in hand with each other. The next word, browse. What kind of shops do you like to browse in? I like to browse in clothing stores because I never know what I want. I walk around, take a look, and I browse. If someone asks you, can I help you with something? A lot of the times you can say, oh no, I'm just browsing, meaning I'm just looking around. And the last word is haggle. So what are some items that you can haggle? For example, when I traveled to Jamaica, on the beach, there are a lot of people selling handmade jewelry, so bracelets or rings. And you can haggle with them on the price, meaning to negotiate a cheaper price. That is haggling. I forgot to also mention the word bargain. Even though we use it when we get a really good price on an item, we also use it as the same as haggle. You can bargain with someone to get a cheaper price on an item. Hey everyone, so I completely missed hitting the record button on my camera, so I don't have a proper outro on my video. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!